Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we'll be going over a 10-point knife drill. It's a great drill for self-defense and help your fluidity. It's great for eye training. It'll also help with your single work with your butterfly swords. But before we get there, I need you to go over and click the boxes to like and subscribe and click the bell to always so you're kept up with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, this drill is now going to be called the 10-point knife drill. It's a basic knife drill. It's a flow drill. It teaches how to flow from one technique to the other. It teaches body angles and it'll teach footwork. And again, you want to work on your fluidity when you're moving with the blade. So we're going to start nice and simple. You can stay out of a neutral stance or a front stance. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, 9, and 10. So this angle is coming down at the neck, through the upper body, neck, body, down the center line, insert. So the drill is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So another way I like to train it is breaking each one down one at a time. So training my footwork, half step in, level 1, reset. Number 2, 1, 2, reset. 3, 1, 2, 3, reset. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's look at this from points of reference. Different angle. So again, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9, and 10. So understanding where it works in reference to the body. So I like to train this anywhere from 1 to 3 minute rounds and then building on it. So you can train the whole thing going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, the way I like to train it is to keep building one repetition off the next. So again, it'd be 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once you feel comfortable and proficient and nice and smooth and fluid, I would open up my footwork, moving off the line of attack and look at my angle. So let's look at it one more time. Step out for my 1, step across for my 2, out for 3, 4, move out 5 and 6, step across, 7 and 8, come straight down 9, and a half step in with 10. So one more, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Start slow, gradually pick up the pace. Again, continuity, repetition is the key.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.